What's up YouTube? I am the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you for stopping by. This video is going to be pretty short and direct as it is an amazing way to earn money online that I recently just checked out. When I say recently, today's Monday, this started Saturday, and yesterday was Sunday and I did nothing. Alright, but let me just walk you through some of the things real quick. So when you sign up, you are going to be looking at this page. When you log in, your dashboard will look something like this. Okay, now pretty much whenever you log in, you are automatically given $25. So just for signing up, you automatically receive $25. Now, can you cash out immediately? No, you cannot. They are protecting themselves, and the way that you can get your cash is pretty much by completing these things. So you want 15 people to click on your link. You want to invite 5 people, complete 6 offers, and do 5 out of 5 social posts. So these social posts could be Instagram, TikTok, I believe Snapchat. I honestly think YouTube is one. Okay. Social media posts. So you get an additional $5 for each post that you make. Okay. So there's Instagram, there's Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube. Okay. Each person that clicks your link, you get an additional $2. Alright, as you could see here, if you complete a Facebook thing, post, whether a story or on your page, then you would get an additional $15. And does it work? Yes. Each time I've been scrolling and talking to you, I have been seeing this little thing pop up right there. Josie18 just got $115. And how you make money? Well, like I said, you copy this link, share it via your Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok account. This person got $893. And how are they able to make so much money? Well, they completed offers, as we were sharing just here. Okay. They were also able to go to the offer center. Now the offer center is really important, because what the offer center does is it gives you the opportunity to view surveys. You view surveys, you take these surveys, you get rewards, but you also get money. So completing this survey, you get $59. For this one, you get $53.70. For this one, $53.70. This one, $77.40. And so on and so forth. You can see how much money you earn by completing these tasks. And what's happening is these companies are paying EarnCashTo money to pretty much spread the word as far as possible, as fast as possible across the globe. And that's why they are being so aggressive. They are getting paid. You are getting paid to play your part, and they are getting paid. So why not allow them to be paid and you to be paid? They're already getting paid, so you might as well cash in on this. So this is being viewed from a laptop. So these are surveys, but you can also download apps, try the apps. Each time you click on an app, instructions are given that you need to complete in order to get the money. If you don't complete all the steps, you don't get paid. Okay, after you complete the steps, then there are actual people who are going to be making sure that everything is valid, and then they credit your account with the funds. Okay, yesterday I actually reached out to customer service, and they were saying that all of this is done manually, so give it some time and you will actually see the credit to your account. Alright, but it does work. The whole time we've been talking, these have been popping up. DJJD got $611.67. All right. So as far as I know, this is international. So if you're looking for a quick $767 just paid out to that person. If you are international and you're looking for a quick way to earn some cash, there is some work involved. Share it on Instagram, share it on Facebook. You do have to validate these things. Share it on Twitter, TikTok, all your social media platforms, and get people to click on your link. Each click is $2. Okay? And the way that you get in is to click this link in the description below. Alright? So you click this link in the description. Okay, it will be the first link in the description. Click that link. It will take you to the login page. You create a free account. Once you created your free account, okay, you automatically sign in. You will see your current balance saying $25 here. You can't cash it out though unless you complete all of these tasks. So post it to your social media, post it to 5 accounts, invite 5 people, get 15 clicks, complete 6 offers. Okay? Then you'll be able to cash out. But by the time you complete all of these things, you would have gotten a couple $100 by the time you've completed all of these things. So guys, this is probably the fastest, quickest, easiest way I've seen to earn money. Do this on your phone preferably, because the apps that you get to test and get $50 are preferably done on your phone. If you look here, this is a laptop. There are no apps showing. When I viewed this on my phone yesterday, there were 2 apps that were waiting for me to be tested. Okay? I haven't tested them yet, otherwise you would have seen my tally be higher. That will definitely be done in due course. But I wanted to get the word out to you. Jump on this as quickly as you can. The easiest way to make money, share. Click the link in the description below. Create your own link. Share it with people. Each time someone clicks your link, you get $2 automatically, because it means you'd be getting paid for making someone aware. And there are a bunch of other ways. For example, there's this $500 4th of July bonus. Get 10 invites, complete 10 offers, complete Coin Master or Stash or Harvest Land offer, and then when you're done, hit the button below. Okay? Do it quickly while it is still available. And guys, jump on this as quickly as you can. So to jump into this, just click the link in the description, first link in the description. Alright gang, so let me share this video with you real quickly, so that you can be on your way to earning probably the easiest way of earning cash I've ever seen. Alright guys, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Much love.